Why do so many traders choose gold? Because gold is one of the most actively traded assets in the world, and learning how to trade it is easier than most beginners think. Gold trading is simply buying or selling gold based on where you think the price will go next. If you believe the price will rise, you buy. If you think it will fall, you sell. The goal is to profit from price movement. To start trading gold, traders follow a few basic steps. Choose a trading platform. Open an account and deposit funds. Learn how the market works. Traders study charts, price patterns, and market behavior to find potential trading opportunities. Most beginners start with a demo account first. This allows you to practice trading without risking real money and understand how the platform works before entering live trades. Here's an example. Gold has been moving down. Then a bullish engulfing pattern appears on the chart. Traders see this as a possible reversal signal. A trader opens a buy position, places a stop loss to limit risk, and sets a take profit level. This is where strategy and risk management become essential. Gold trading is about guessing, is about analysis, discipline, understanding the market, and a bit of luck. Want to learn the full process, strategies, and trading examples? Read the full article and start exploring gold trading step by step.